Increasing production throughput is simple when you apply the right screwdriving technologies to your operation. Visumatic design engineers understand what it takes to make good parts and make them fast. A dual nest screwdriving system with automatic part unloading is a turnkey solution that fits your floor ready to make parts. It can quickly automate your process, boosting production and safety. Visumatic's standalone automated assembly machine performs in the toughest manufacturing environment. Process controls ensure quality assemblies. It's customizable, integrating your plant build specifications, including PLC choice. It's turnkey. Delivered with acceptance testing complete, it's ready to plug and work. Optimized for speed and accuracy, the system arrives with a first-in-class technical manual, which includes preventative maintenance schedules. Its straightforward design makes it simple to use and maintain. The Visumatic screwdriving assembly machine is robustly built to improve your manufacturing process. Get more throughput and a fast ROI for your joining project by contacting Visumatic today.